All right, so let's have some real world comparison here. So if you're hungry, right, and you want a meal, you have two options. Actually, you probably have more options than two, but there are two main options. Two main options. The first option is to either cook the meal yourself, right, which is the traditional way, which is the way that it was used to before restaurants came around, right? Versus buying your meal from a fast food restaurant, right? So either you go the traditional way, which is making your own meal, you plan the meal that you want, you go to the store to grab the ingredients and all that, right? So that's the traditional way. Or you can just go to the fast food restaurant to get it, right? The traditional way takes a little longer. Uh, the uh, the cloud way is faster, right, compared to the fast food restaurants. But in both options, there are advantages and disadvantages, right? Some of the disadvantage of buying fast food is you probably don't know the ingredient that was used to make the food. You don't know the person that cooked the food. You don't know the health state of the person that cooked the food, right? So that is some of the disadvantage of fast food, right? Same thing as well. Using the cloud, right? You don't have access to your data, right? The data, you don't have, I don't want to say access, you don't have control over your data, right? So let's say 2, 3, 4 years down the road, right? The cloud service provider that you are with is hacked, right? There's nothing that you can do, right? So that is some of the disadvantages, right? So let's move on. So yeah, cooking your own meal. In order for you to cook your own meal, you have to plan. First of all, you have to think of what food you want to eat. Plan and list the ingredients that you need. Drive to the grocery store. Pick the groceries that you need. God forbid you forget one of them. You have to go back, right? You have to drive back, prep the food, start cooking, serve the meal, and then eat, right? So that whole process might take, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 hours, right? Depending on how far the grocery store is, how fast you can cook, right? So yeah, it takes a little longer to make your own meal, right? Versus buying your meal from a fast food restaurant, right? You jump in your car, or sometimes you even walk, right? You walk to the fast food restaurant, you go there, the food is ready. Might probably take like a minute or probably 5 minutes average, right? And then you get your food, right? So that is way faster than what? Making your own food. And as I mentioned before, they all have its advantages and disadvantages as well, right? So yeah, so instead of you, in case you need a computer, instead of you going to the store and then buying a computer, right? You can just open a web browser and then create a computer in the cloud, right? So that's the comparison.